So what you got to do is you got to make sure there's an even layer of coating products all over the entire pipe so that when you do your next layer, it actually seals it properly. So you must go slow, but you can't go too slow to where the resin pools in the pipe. The only other method of doing this, so this is in an older home in downtown Saratoga, and the only other method is to open cut the walls and remove the piping that way, which the lady just had all new wallpaper put through her dining room and hallways, so she did not want to waste the money after just installing all that stuff. The pipeline is 100% cleaned and dried out. This epoxy won't adhere to the pipeline if the pipeline's wet, so you always have to worry about the moisture inside of the pipe so that it's 100% dry. It's recommended you got to do 2 coats, a minimum of 2 coats on the pipeline to make sure that you actually get a good seal. The first coat will be white, then you go back through with gray epoxy so you can actually see that you get a full coat on the pipeline. Pretty much like watching paint dry.